Unit 30, the present simple, interrogative and negative. Does he speak Hebrew?
No, he does not speak Hebrew. He speaks English.
Does he work in a factory?
No, he does not work in a factory. He works in an office.
Does Lena live in Paris?
No, Lena does not live in Paris. She lives in London.
Does your son study French?
No, my son does not study French. He studies English.
Does the cat drink whiskey?
No, the cat does not drink whiskey. The cat drinks milk.
Does Jim catch a bus?
No, Jim does not catch a bus. He catches the 8:05 train.
Does the maid mop the walls?
No, the maid does not mop the walls. She mops the bathroom floor.
Does the dog eat sausages?
No, the dog does not eat sausages. It eats meat.
Does Mr. Clark sign the letter?
No, he doesn't. No, he does not. He signs the receipts.
Does Mr. Gordon need a maid?
No, he doesn't. No, he does not. He needs a secretary.
Does the office boy write letters?
No, he doesn't. No, he does not. He runs errands.